teach you how to stack a honey. Early in the morning, honey. Niggas talking shit ain't got nothing.
Arrived.
Yo, you know what? It's right. Somebody just got it yesterday.
I know.
I already knows what he's doing.
What's your name, bro?
Jaime.
Jaime. Good to meet you.
Give me my card.
I'll just hit myself. And that's it. Welcome. You already know what it is. Thirsty motherfucking Thursdays where the women are butt naked. Alright, it's the You Thursdays. And you know what it is on the You Thursdays? I'm OgGrip. This is only game. The You Thursdays. We're adding, we're expanding. Y'all remember that conversation? I said that a little while ago. For those of y'all that know, and you know y'all like equipment and whatnot, this is the Maschine Plus. It's the standalone version to the 3, which was the last one that they had, but you need to use the computer with it. You don't need a computer for this, even though we have one. Today, I'm gonna be unpacking, unwrapping, unveiling our new toy, the Maschine, the standalone. My son is saying "yee" in the background. He's with us. Stay tuned. OgGrip. Only game. Only game all the time. So, the excitement is real. I'm about to unbox the machine. Oh, yes. Oh, it's coming. Okay, we got styrofoam. We got the little engraving so it can protect these knives. Okay, first thing. Okay, here we got styrofoam on the bottom. Good thick plastic that it's in. Oh, okay. It's open on the side, gotta be careful of that. Looks like it has a little SD card. Yep, we'll get to that in a second. Put this to the side. It's a little heavy too. It's not like super light. I don't know if you just heard it drop. Under it, you have what looks to be right here. Power supply, USB, different power supplies from different parts of the world because everywhere loves music and gets it in. I won't go through all that just yet. Then we have silicone. Don't eat that stuff. It's bad for you. And then we have some product paperwork. What is this right here? Important safety instructions. Okay, it's the safety instructions. Make sure you get into that. Let's look and see if there's anything under this styrofoam. No, there's not. Nothing else to unbox during my unboxing. Okay, boom. Let's get that back in there. I'm gonna kick this out. That was pretty simple. I forgot to put the other styrofoam back in there. I gotta remember to do that. Y'all gotta remind me. All right, this, ladies and gentlemen, is La Machine. Oh, we'll go in here. All right, it looks pretty good, like I mentioned. It's kind of heavy. All right, let's take this off first. All right, let's get this. It's the whole little welcome joint. Comes in. Smells really good. Smells really fresh. I don't know how much that matters to y'all, but it matters to me. These knobs feel kind of solid, heavy duty. Look at that. They protect the main joint. Good little styrofoam. Boom. You can move left to right. It also goes counter and clockwise. Check the back end out. Back end. All right, as you can see, you got phones, volume, headphones, plug-ins, line out volume. You got two, a left and right line out. You got a gain so you can increase your gain. Mic in, so this is where you can do some stuff we've seen some people doing. Nice mic work. You can do MIDI for when you set it up with your computer. You got different line ends. You can actually add a pedal in there, so you can have that modulation from the pedal. That's pretty dope. I hear that they have some of those features in the system as well. Then of course power, 2 USB ports, and then also a USB-B port, which is cool. All right, let's get to this power real fast. Okay, I also wanted to show you guys this little nifty. I don't know if you guys can see it. It says discard and pull, or something, and discard and pull. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do that right now and see what this is. Pull and discard, pull. All right, that's pretty good. So it says we should throw that away. Should I? I don't know, we'll see. But it has a user data Microsoft, excuse me, y'all ain't send me no check. Micro SD adapter. In the SD adapter, it also has, oh no, it's not in there yet? There we go. Cool little SD card, 64 gigs. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. All right, we'll pop that in. Put that back in there, as I'm sure we're gonna need it. Pops in. Looks pretty smooth. Ah, there we go. All right. There we go. Okay. So this box has everything that's in there. Boom. 3.5 millimeter adapter. So you can put it on, you know, smaller adapters and still be able to use it. We also have the USB-B cord. Also, it's a Thunderbolt. I think looks pretty much similar to the Thunderbolt. We have the adapter, as we spoke about, and then we have all these in here. All we need is the US one, right? But we got stuff for when we're out of town and we out here getting to the bag in other places of the world. We can definitely stay connected. I think that is amazing, and it's very dope that they do that. Boom, here we go. This is the one we need though. We need to make sure. Now, shouldn't every adapter just be like this then, since this is the piece that all those adapt to in order to be able to work? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. So, there you go, thinking again. So let's put this in here. Oh, I messed that up. Is this the right way? All right, now we're in there. Okay, locked in. Use this little lever right there to do that. You know, if you don't know that, you don't know. But I didn't until just now. All right, unwrap that, put that in there. I love keeping those because you never know when you might need it. Then you take your power, don't lose that. Plug the power in right here where it says 15 volt. Oh, it got the lock on there, little lock feature. Put it in, turn it, boom. Now you're locked. That's dope. Now we have to plug this bad boy in. If you're anything like me, you like keeping stuff that you can plug into real close by. Have I used up all of these? Have I used up all of these? Oh, I might have to use this one. So we're gonna use this one right here. Now we're in there, guys. We're in there. This is the beginning. How do we put it on? Power. You see it's lit up a little bit? See that? It's waiting to come on. It's pulsating. Y'all see that? That's kind of ill. So let's press it. Uh-oh. Now we're green. Now we're green. We got to go through a setup process. We have to go through the setup process. And it says machine is starting. Okay, guys. Oh, yeah. Now that we done did what we needed to do, to learn what we need to do what we trying to do, let's see what we done came up with. Let me see here. I came up with some good shit. We're gonna say that. Mute all them real quick. Okay, let's do it. Let's go. You hear it? Hold on. Okay. What them drums sound like real quick? Oh yeah. Mind you, I just started making beats. Yeah. Put this shit in my soul. Let's get it. I just started making beats. Like literally. I ain't tried this since like 07. Back then it was Reason. Man, this machine right here is about to work some magic. I just wanted to let y'all tune in and see one of the first productions that OG has cooked up. They ain't gonna do nothing but get better, man. Shout out my homeboy, Turn Me Up Josh, man. Little bro, rest in peace. Super major inspiration, along with E Mason, you know, B-Rax, Yayo, all these producers, Code Red, all these producers that I know, man, that really been putting it down. Nicodemus, y'all are monsters, yo. Braden, Palmer. I appreciate all y'all, man, for all the light, for all the inspiration, for all the love. I'm on y'all ass now. It's the You. Thursdays. Only game, man.
I could teach you how to stack a honey.